सपना दिल में छुपा होता है, बस उससे उड़ान देने वाला एक सही रास्ता होता है। अगर ब्यूटी तुम्हारा पैशन है तो जाजू मेकअप एंड आर्टिस्ट तुम्हारी पहली पहचान है।
Welcome to Jaju Makeup and Arts Institute. This is an institute of vocational education. Here you can learn so many courses. So recently we have uploaded this picture. You have to see on our web page, Jaju Makeup and Arts, the basic makeup and mastery course. Here in this makeup mastery course, you will learn so many things like a history of makeup and beauty industry, professional ethics and code of conducts, makeup tools, brushes, kit management, face shaping, eye shapes, eyebrow shapings, skin undertones and color wheel theories, complete international product knowledge, and the skin care and skin analysis, pigmentation, acne, open pores, and dark circles coverage, foundation matching color corrections, neutral and HD and 3D based makeups, U2 types makeups हो गए, contouring and highlights techniques, and eye makeup, smoky, glitter, shimmeries and Arabics and hollow eyes makeup, and day makeup, party makeup, season makeup according to season, how we will do this, whatever according to skin, how we will do our makeup, that is guided to you. And professional bridal makeup demonstrations and practical is there. Fixing common mistakes, whatever common mistake you do in your makeup, that will be resolve your problems, and client consultation and professional grooming and portfolio building and career guidelines. These all things is including in this. 90% practical training is there, and live bridal makeup demonstration, professional product knowledge, international product knowledge we have to give, and this is all according to international standard, right? And personal guidelines also there. Our QR codes, this is our website, this is YouTube channel Jaju Makeup and Arts, this is Instagram Jaju Makeup and Arts page. There you can find out these things. So you can see these things, and there is hair stylings, art and craft teacher training diploma courses, and nail art technician course diploma courses are also introduced. And if you want to be your skin Korean, then the Korean skin treatment guidelines is also there, and very special the advanced makeup mastery course is also there, in which we are guiding you the airbrush treatment, and we have to give the 2 complimentary gift as a Korean makeup and vitiligo skin makeup, that will be the Korean and instead of this we have to guide a different culinary articles also, like pizza making, cake making, cupcakes making, chaat making, different variety of mojitos makings and sandwiches makings. So if and paintings and arts, painting and arts also there. So okay, you have to learn, come into a Jaju Makeup and Arts and enroll your name. It's a very new institute for you, and earlier I have already taught in the BCM, and we have guided the beauty wellness syllabus of the CBSC, and we are guided the work educations, their art and craft, the different culinary arts. We are guiding the students handicraft, fashion jewelry, fashion trend. So here we have guided the fashion Corel Draw in fashion designing, means we have to guide through illustrations the designing. If you want to do any kind of job, any services in any factories and all as a designer, so you can come and learn here, very reasonable rates. Thank you so much. We are giving here about the HydraFacial knowledge also, and HydraFacial, this is giving you the complete knowledge of HydraFacial machine also in the Korean skin treatment. This is our glutathione marks, and it's converted into a very different colors, and as you have seen the different colors are coming, and these are very good for the skin. Blemishes hai, and acne hai, different skins की softness है, उसके लिए soothing के लिए, calmness के लिए, we are, as you have seen, there is a different colors are coming out. So we have guiding the complete knowledge about how nail arts, different, at least more than 100 above varieties of nail arts we are guiding you. It's our nail art syllabus. You have to see few nail art tricks we have done. Different types of varieties of more than 100 varieties of nail art we are guiding here, and the extensions, different variety of extensions also there, gel extensions, acrylic, polygels, and so on. So you have to learn here and be a nail technician, be a designer. If you want to be a know for more details, you can contact 9501946655. Thank you so much.
हर ब्रश स्ट्रोक एक नई कहानी लिखता है, हर स्टूडेंट अपनी सक्सेस स्टोरी खुद लिखता है। आओ अपनी क्रिएटिविटी को पहचान दो, अपने टैलेंट को एक नई उड़ान दो, सीखो, निखरो और दुनिया को दिखा दो कि फैशन जब प्रोफेशन बनता है तब सबका हकीकत बन जाता है।
Jaju Makeup
The concept is
and
very
Arts.
clear how we will do the light.
जहाँ हर सपना सिर्फ देखा नहीं जाता, उसे मेहनत, हुनर और कॉन्फिडेंस से सच बनाया जाता है।